So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your MagSafe charger just isn't working on your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is going through and making sure that within your charger itself, that there's not any issues or problems with the chargers. So go through, make sure your charger is fully plugged in and that there's no problems or anything like that within the charger itself. A lot of the times that can probably be the problem, that can probably be the case, and that's exactly what I'd recommend thinking about here. Now, the next thing, make sure that you're aligning your charger onto your phone itself. So go through, place that charger right inside of that phone, just like this, and make sure that it's clicked in. A lot of the times, sometimes you might place it onto the side or onto like a little bottom here, really where the Apple logo is. That's where you want to go ahead and place it. And that should probably end up kind of, addressing it, kind of end up fixing it from this side too. That's another thing I'd recommend doing here as well. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, another thing I'd recommend doing here too is just going through and just making sure that with that charger itself, there's not any big thing that's stopping the charger, or there's not a case on your phone. Sometimes if there's a case on your phone that's not a MagSafe case, that can also kind of cause some problems for you as well. And that's another thing I'd recommend thinking about too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.